Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Having trouble seeing your gold notes on Instagram? You are not alone. This new feature is still rolling out and there's a few glitches. But don't worry, I've got the fix you need to bring those gold notes back. Let's dive in and get your Instagram shining with gold again. If you have already tried posting a note, then make sure to try again. There might be a glitch. And if you already get to see that it's not working yet, so you might need an Instagram update. So for that, go to your Play Store. Once you're there, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon. Here, go to Manage Apps and Device. Tap on Manage. Here you see a list of apps that needs to be updated. And if you see your Instagram there, make sure to update it. Once your Instagram is updated, head over to your Instagram again. As my one is already updated, I'm heading over to give a note. So heading over to my profile. Tap on note. Make sure to add the word gold in your notes. And tap share. And just like that, your notes are golden once more. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. There's always something new happening on Instagram, and I'm here to help you and stay ahead of the game.